Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, it was a pretty lackluster day considering we had some information come out today. We had the PC this morning, which was like right in line, and we had the weekly Thursday jobless claims, which came in what looked to be a little bearish, but there is just a lot of bullish energy in the market right now. It is definitely a risk on attitude. And so the market just didn't really seem to know what to do, and it didn't really do much at all. And there was pretty low volume and not a big range, and that's that. But what I did notice here today is an interesting series of trades in Meta. Take a look. Someone was trading iron condors in Meta in a big way. So this is 156 lots of the 290, 295, 355, 365 iron condors. And here's another one, 56 lot, another one, and another one. So that's kind of a lot of trading. What does that come out to? About 800 contracts or so. Not to mention, there were a couple of trades very similar to this morning. In fact, they had the same put spread strike, but a higher call spread strike. Now, what all does that mean? Well, an iron condor basically is used when you expect a stock to be in a range, not to fall below the short put strike, not to rise above the short call strike. Now, the short put strike was sitting right here at about 295, where there's a whole mess of resistance from back in September and October. Even back here in July, we had some too. So that's a very strong support line. I might have said resistance. Support line is what I meant to say. And then they're short the 350 calls, and basically what that means is they're not expecting to make new recent highs anytime between now and December expiration. So that is a little bit of a status quo type scenario. We've been in a big risk on scenario for a while in many different stocks in the market overall. And so sounds to me like maybe someone is expecting the tech stocks, the growth stocks that are very dependent on low interest rates, to just kind of sit here and not sell off with interest rates going higher, but not continue higher with the expectation of interest rates going lower. Just sit here in a little bit of purgatory until December expiration, which would be after this next Fed meeting. This is Dan Passarelli. Hope that helps. Trade smart.